I love my Jamaican women, because I've noticed that they possess many qualities that are rarely seen in outside women. They are resilient and some of the fiercest women on earth. They are well opinionated and do not stand for foolishness. And I find that incredibly sexy. As a Jamaican man, I do not feed into the intimidating tactics that they often use to get Jamaican men to stray away from their own Jamaican women, because I don't think there is anyone out there that can take the place of my Jamaican queens. Yes, that's right, I said it. Jamaican women are the best in the world, and I love that they come in all shades and color. It goes without saying that it's beyond how amazing Jamaican women look when they get dressed, the contrast of the colors they choose. It's all about feelings. They are a very faithful and loyal set of women, and I know because I've been loving them for so long, and I've never been disappointed enough to look outside other cultures to find anyone. I'm engaged to one of them. Jamaican women are very cultural, especially those who have not been exposed to street life, but had a very homely and old-fashioned upbringing. The culture norms are traditional, roles are defined and continentally expected. So when a Western Jamaican man marries a Western Jamaican princess, she eventually becomes his queen and he her king. I then generally find this more attractive, more appealing than Jamaicans who marry outsiders or people from other culture. I respect that more because nothing is more relaxing and enjoyable than when you can crack jokes with your own and even sometimes stray over the norm without minding your PS and your QS. Whereas if you start a relationship outside, you have to constantly mind and watch how or if you are going to offend their culture. I don't think that living my life walking on eggshells is good for me, my family and or friends in the long run, so finding a positive Jamaican beauty is a plus, a bonus, and everything in one for me. Now picking up from where I left off, on why I will never place another over my Jamaican queens.